Next on the list, we have Whop clipping. So basically what you do is you take these long form videos from podcasters or content creators who are on Whop as well, and you're going to clip their videos into shorts and repost them on your account on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever. And you're going to be paid per 1,000 views, kind of like YouTube AdSense revenue. So on average, they pay you like $1 to $5 per 1,000 views, which is kind of shit, to be honest. That means if you manage to get 10,000 views, well, let's just do the math together. 10,000 divided by 1,000 equals 10. You're going to make $10 to $50. So honestly, it's just slave work. It's just they don't want to hire a video editor, so they make you do the slave work and they barely pay you for it. Just think about this for a second. Like, who do you know that made millions with Whop clipping? Like, seriously, nobody on planet Earth. Because again, it is slave labor. So for that reason, I'm going to put it in F tier. Nobody made millions with this shit. So if you want a mentor, you want to learn from somebody who's done this very successfully, as you can see, like take a look at those fucking numbers. You can just click the link in the description below. There's a quick free training, but most importantly, book a free one-to-one call with me. On that call, I'm going to give you a custom step-by-step game plan so you can start selling online courses, even if you don't know what your course should be about, even if you work a lot already, you don't have that much time, etc. I'm going to show you everything, and you don't even have to pay for it. If it's a good fit, we might work together, you might become a part of my paid program, but even if it's not, you're going to walk away with clarity on exactly what to do, a step-by-step plan. Like, where else are you going to find that for free? So if I were you, I would click on the link in the description below, book my free call, and get my free step-by-step plan before all the spots are taken. Because I'm pretty busy, like, I don't take 10 calls a day or whatever. I don't have that many spots.